Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So after a long time, my friends, the massive jump is coming soon. So therefore, I make this update video and price prediction and technical analysis, and also I share my opinion, my friends, in this video. So let's start this brand video. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type of latest update and news. Now, thank you so much, XRP holder. Let's start the brand price prediction. My brother, you know XRP as a previous days very badly fell down. So all holders ask me this question: to what will you sell, hold, or buy? Our condition is going to be very critical now, and I think we are going the loss now. So don't be, my friends, take a decision, any decision before watching this video. And after that, my friend, you also search on Google, everywhere, Twitter, and then, my brother, go now and invest now. So this time XRP is completely last 3 days moving upward now. So it's a really great news for all of you too. XRP will change occur, will be positive now. So thank you so much for everyone who invests now. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, but I am also holder of XRP, so therefore I am so happy, my brothers, to see this. You can say, my brother, after a very long time, XRP will starting moving upward now. So it's a very good news. But otherwise, my friend, in the previous month, all cryptocurrencies very badly faced down. So XRP is also one of them, but this time you can see here the price of XRP is 0.8 USD dollar. So I'm 100% sure to just in a few days they will hit 1 USD dollar if they starting moving upward now like that. So it's 100% possible, my brothers, to they will give you a good profit now. If we check our friend the last 1 day chart, then we understand, my brothers, to really can there is a chance to they will moving upward or not. Yes, I'm 100% sure, my brothers, to upcoming time XRP will go up and XRP will give you a good profit now. So because you could see, my brothers, this time the chart result 8 second continuously process, my friends. You can see here they're moving upward now. XRP holder, congratulations to all of you to upcoming time. The future is also going to be bright now, and if you invest for short time, then exactly this will be gonna be very good now, because XRP sometimes very badly falls down also, my brothers. So if they starting falls down, so you know, go now and sell it and take a good profit now, my brothers. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care. Hope you understand my opinion is it. Please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time.